Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best hunting slingshot you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best hunting slingshot on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which hunting slingshot are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Beeman Marksman Laserhawk Folding Slingshot. A wrist rocket style of slingshot like the Beeman Marksman Laserhawk can be more accurate than its counterparts, owing to the stability offered by the support arm. The more accurate you are, the more you will use the slingshot. This one is designed to accept both 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch steel shot, giving you options for tailoring the ammunition to the target, with the larger ones being used for larger critters. The yoke is made of tempered steel, which makes it strong and unlikely to snap under stress. For added comfort, the handle has finger grooves. When necessary, the elastic tubes can be easily replaced or swapped out for ones with greater knockdown power. This slingshot folds up relatively flat, making it easy to store and save space. It is also easier to pack in your bag when heading out into the wilderness. All of this for under $15, leaving plenty of room in the budget for ammunition and other necessities. Our second best hunting slingshot is Nisponter Slingshot Set. It is heavily constructed and molded to fit well in the hand. Adjustable support design makes the ejection base more stable. Ergonomic grip handle is more comfortable and easy to use. Y-shot slingshots with high velocity, accurate and powerful. Magnetic leather hold the ammo more sturdily and easier. You will back to unforgettable childhood memory when I was younger and did a lot of hunting with a slingshot. Also can share happy time with your friends, family. Not only a fun entertainment choice, but also great for eye and attention training, entertainment, competition and outdoor hunting. One slingshot with 3 pieces high-tension rubber bands, 50 pieces hard clay balls, 50 pieces steel ammo and 3 pieces screw keys. Number 3 in our list is Barnett Cobra Slingshot. This slingshot created with both beginners and youth slingshot enthusiasts in mind. Slingshot comes equipped with a wrist brace, target ammo, and an instructional shooting guide to teach you all the basics. The Cobra Slingshot utilizes its unique front stabilizer and sight system to help users stay on target with reduced vibrations. Shots land with precision and power due to the Cobra's revolutionized design and Magnum power bands. Cobra Slingshot provides a soft-touch contoured grip and wrist brace which makes the Cobra a comfortable and safe choice for youth slingshot enthusiasts. Cobra Slingshot system includes a slingshot with contoured soft-touch grip, wrist brace, instructional shooting guide, target ammo, in a red or black color combo. The Cobra from Barnett has revolutionized slingshot design with its unique combination of front stabilizer and sighting system. Fourth recommendation in our side is Uco Professional Slingshot. This professional slingshot for hunting with wide bow design and triple strength rubber bands, ergonomic molded steady adjustable handle grip feels powerful and comfort in your hand. Folding slingshot, easy to use and convenient for carry, with laser flashlight holder, makes you precision hunting even at nighttime. Magnetic leather design keep hunting slingshot ammo well, refill the slingshot more quickly, and the running shake and jump does not affect to use, come with 100 pieces 3x11 inch steel ammo balls. Used for outdoor competition, fitness catapult, entertainment, competition and hunting, also for boutique collection. It is prohibited to use this product in any way that doesn't conform to local, state and federal laws and ordinances. This is not a toy, children need use under the supervision of adults. Last in our top 5 best hunting slingshot list is Nobondo Folding Slingshot. This is an affordable slingshot that offers precision shooting with high velocity power. This slingshot is made from metal with durable rubber bands. It comes with a wrist brace and ergonomic adjustable hand grip that gives your hand extra power and comfort. The slingshot is packaged with 100 ammo balls. Hunting Slingshot with triple strength rubber bands and ergonomic molded adjustable handle grip feels powerful and comfort in your hand. Adjustable wrist brace and golden proportions Slingshot makes you precision hunting. This slingshot also good for a beginner. All metal material slingshot with durable rubber powerful bands is great for field adventures and hunting the rabbit. High velocity, accurate and powerful. Magnetic leather makes you can replenish bullets quickly. 100 ammo balls enough to outdoor hunting. One more reserve powerful rubber bands include, can easy replace.